Goko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast guys. Ona mathaa 24 matathirite kuma thirikari yongerera maguta. Diesel irongererwa ciringi 40, petrol irongererwa ciringi 28 na diesel na lita ya petrol irakinya ta 260. Thaici hwaini wa umuthi ona mathaa 24 matathirite thirikari ni agwithia thogora wa maguta, diesel na ciringi 10 nio petrol na ciringi 9 mothe mathithi wa ciringi 200. Niki magwithia thogora wa maguta? You see what the government is doing, they are creating problem, then they are pretending ati ni solve massive thina ucio. Maga create problem, then magetua ni solve massive thina ucio. Uguo niguo kwathi na mbere. No riri ni gitumi kiriku giatuma thirikari igwithie thogora wa maguta? Muthenya wa umuthi thutha wa maguta kuongererwo ni tuonire team unit opposition matongoretio ni Rigathi wa Gachagua ni mauma na press briefing ka press conference muthenya wa umuthi ni mwikire video na makona demands. Demand ya mbere yumeriko mundu gwitwo opio ndai Kinya Jui maume wira kana matige wira. Number 2, G2G procurement kana government to government procurement etigwo with immediate effect na maheana demands ingi na mauga within 7 days maundu macio mako matahingitio ni gukorwo na mirurungano. Thirikari hingo aiguire uhoro wa mirurungano maigeria mai toro uguo tu. Ungirora guku nenda-ini besides unit opposition kwaria niku andu nimekwambitie gwikoria go post kwena poster ciguthiga na mbere guku cia total shutdown Tuesday date 21. Andu nimekwambitie gutangatha date 21 next week ni wakona murungano munene muno na andu mekuga ati hashtag ire ikumirite ni reject fuel prices na ni ukuona mbica icio ni cikwambitie kunyaga muno guku nenda-ini cia reject fuel prices. Icio mbica ni cia nyaga muno muthenya wa umuthi guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. So I told you muthenya video ende mwekire ndimwire tiriri government has created public anger, and this public anger nio igutumaga wone muona andu mambia gwitia mirurungano. Now higono andu mona undu uyu nwatuika serious muno, andu ni mambia kwaria uhoro wa mirurungano niguo magwithia thogora wa maguta. Niki thirikari ino na to be specific must go aitiga mirurungano? Because as we speak now andu magiwa ni kururungana ndangikona option. I tell you for free, ndangikona option. Niki tondu opposition area iho matingigithania nake. Hena mundu arairia must go atiriri thaici mirurungano ingioka no kuinuka akiinuka. I think Gachagua alikuwa anamwambia or someone else. And of course mirurungano ingioka, you see they have caused public anger. Kwa hivyo mirurungano no yuke. Now mirurungano ino ingioka gutie mundu ungiithania na Ruto kumihoreria tondu opposition area iho gutie mundu ungitikira. In fact mirurungano ino ingiko ikinya ngima, so the only thing he can do no go step down. So that's the pressure. Kala pressure yo niyo yatuma Kinara agwithie thogora wa maguta. He created problem. He is pretending to solve the problem, but niundu wa public anger na maundu maria mona makienda kwa social media mona ni guguthuka. Still the prices are high. Tuthie twaigua handu diesel area haba na ciringi 30. Prices are still high. Then if they were not doing something wrong, niki magwithia thogora wa maguta higono andu maria muno if they were not doing something wrong. Na baigiri ekuria mwena wa Nyanza heno ndu ekugaga na auga ati ni agwithia VAT from 16 to 8%. Udisho tutie twana we gazetted na kwiko ni kuwithia VAT no ngina oco ungiko we gazetted onekane thiini wa gatheti igetha gutuike niguo, but so far guti gazetment ya ohoro ucio no ngina ungihuru kana ukorwe gazetted igetha andu metikie uguo niguo kuri. I've told you mundu gwitwo must go we niwe atuma thabari yake ya guthie Sugoi yongerereke na speed ya 50,000 km/h. Nikida uguo thabari yake ya kuinuka niongerereke tena speed ingi iguru muno. Niwe niki ni maundu maya areka. Remember dithro na yongerereke tena ciringi 30 icio ni nyingi muno. Thogora wa muturire no uguthi iguru, that's fact. Petrol yongerereke tena ciringi 18 na iherete ciringi icio 9. Thogora wa muturire no urithi iguru. Wathi thiini wa supermarket indo shelf-ini no cikuongerereka kweheria na ciringi 10 thogora wa muturire. Tikuga ati fare ni guthie thi, fare no ikuongerereka. So he is the one uri ekiriteire mathina maya mothe. Ye mwenyewe ni ekiriteire mathina maya mothe. Hello ndimwirire muthenya wa mothe hingo na thogora wa muturire wathi kana hingo na ahibia maguta iguru. Ungirorire ni ungionire andu aria me hakuhi nake matikoragia horo wa maguta. Ndinaigua Kindiki akigweta horo wa maguta umuthi, ndinona akiathina social media ciake horo wa maguta. Ambunge mamukuhiriria kuma kirima-ini ndindona mundu akimutetera akimakiuga undu wa maguta. Some few bloggers ni onyonire makiuga ati ngari ni luxury. Some few to maguta mathi iguru ngari ni luxury. Na watu ni wajinga cause yes ngari ni luxury no riri fare agithi iguru atakire personal cira affecto na dithro kwaja ngari cia barabara nyingi iria cikuaga andu citumagira dithro. But people who are around him matikoragia. Only Opio and I aririe CS nake maundu maria arire ni matuhu, maundu matekwerekaga. So this guy ye mwenyewe ni eikete irima na ndangihota kwiruta thiini wa irima riri ona kungithia atia. People cannot trust him anymore. In fact nona ugweka kwambatiria maguta then kuruta within 24 hours akeheria na ciringi 10 ni ingira boxi ya United Opposition. Ni ukuona uria riu ekuhota ekuhihinywo ni United Opposition. You just see for yourself. United Opposition megukira mambie kumuhihinya. Tomorrow ni mukona United Opposition kwina uhoteku munene muno ningi no magakona press briefing ya uhoro uyu wa maguta wika atia kugwithio. Remember what happened today. Dithoro irahaibirwo ciringi 40. Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ugite like 1 week ago dithoro ikaiba maguta mekamba na ciringi 40 and that's what exactly happened. Na Rigathi wa Gachagua kauga atiriri undu horo uyu wabangirwo Dubai na ndora ma thiini horo uyu Dubai ni mamuheire information ino. He said so. So Gachagua undu uria augire niguo ekikire maguta kwamba na ciringi 40 na andu makoria who is giving Gachagua information. Ni alikuwa methini wa thirikari mae Gachagua information kila kindu auga kiumira oguo maguta ugira ciringi 40 exactly 40 pop. Who is giving Gachagua information? That's the biggest question andu maroria. Anyway, in short, must go awithia maguta negwea niona andu no marugane na njira imwe nene muno. Andu mekwambitie gwitia mirurungano ona haha no ainuke atak ihinda riake takinyite. Uguo niguo kuri, uguo niguo ikarite kuri gwa podcast moni manyu mariko inyue murona atia. Thank you gamatine amrathime guys, this is what it is kwani iko nini. Thank you gamatine amrathime.